Welcome to doTERRA, and congratulations on becoming a wholesale member. Now that you have your oils and you're using them, I want to make sure that I explain to you the amazing benefits of being a wholesale member. Right off the bat, you know that you get 25% off of all of your products for the entire year. That includes our cleaning products, our supplements, laundry detergent, shampoo, and all of the essential oils. That's amazing. And you also get 50% of your shipping points back in product points. So if you spend $4 on shipping, you're going to get $2 back as product points. And that's going to accumulate, so eventually you're going to get free products. And we all love free doTERRA oils. Now, being a wholesale member, you also have access to our Loyalty Rewards Program. Our Loyalty Rewards Program is like a subscription box, but you get to pick the products that go into it. And by placing an LRP order, you're going to have access to so many more benefits. So still, you get your 25% off your products. But if you place it as an LRP order, you get 100% of your shipping points back as product points. So now if you spend $4 on shipping, you get $4 back as product points. And if you're ordering every month, that's going to start to accumulate, so you're going to get free product faster. On top of those two things, there's another way that you can start to accumulate more product points. So doTERRA has a sliding scale. So if you stay on your LRP for a full year, you can get up to 30% back in product points. So here's how it works. So months 1 through 3, by placing LRP orders, you're going to get 10% back. So you already get your 25% discount. Then you're going to get 10% back of your order into product points. Now, if you stay with it for month 4 through 6, you're going to get 15% of your order back in product points. If you stay month 7 through 9, you're going to get 20% back in product points. Month 10 through 12, you're going to get 25% back in product points. And if you place LRP orders for the entire year, every month for the entire year, you're going to get 30% back in product points. Now, the reason a lot of people use the LRP orders is because they use doTERRA products to reduce the toxic load in their house. So these are things that you already buy: shampoo, conditioner, laundry detergent, toothpaste, vitamins. We have amazing vitamins that you could buy every month, and that would be your LRP order. So you can see now how you can start to accumulate all these product points back. So you get product points from shipping, you get product points from placing your order, and eventually you're going to see the product points that you have accumulate so you can buy things you want, like rose, which is expensive, or frankincense, which can be expensive. And if that wasn't enough, there's one more fun perk. doTERRA always has an oil of the month that is free. So if you place 125 product value, what we call PV, you're going to get the oil of the month for free. Some months, doTERRA even has extra free items. So if you're going to spend 200 PV, you'll get the first oil and the second oil. So once you're ordering things on LRP, you can accumulate oils and points so quickly. It's amazing. And it's a great way to start to use doTERRA products in your house and get them in your household. Now, if you're doing LRP and say you want to cancel, it is the easiest thing to do. So don't think by signing up for this subscription program that it's going to be this dramatic thing to cancel. It is so easy. All you have to do is call doTERRA, or you can go to the live chat that's on your website. So when you're logged into doTERRA, there's a live chat button. You can click on that and they can cancel your LRPs for you right there. So don't worry, once you sign up for this, it's not like you're signing up for a lifetime. You can cancel at any time, and I promise you it's hassle-free. doTERRA's whole point of their company is to make us healthy and happy, so they're going to make that process a healthy and happy process too. Now, if you want to sit down with me and talk about what to put in your LRPs and what to kind of stretch out so you can make your LRP orders last for the whole year, please email me at blissbabelife@gmail.com, and we'll set up an appointment and we'll talk about how we can get the program working for you and get you the most oils and the most points back. I am here to help you. So please feel free to email me. We'll set up that appointment. But until then, enjoy being a wholesale member. Enjoy all the perks of doTERRA. And if you have any questions, let me know.